Introduction to user input in Python.
Allows a Python program to interact with someone using it. By asking questions or giving commands, users can control how the program works. In this guide, you'll discover simple ways to request and use input from users, making your programs more dynamic and interesting. Let's explore how to easily read user input in Python with clear step-by-step examples.
The input function, your main tool.
Python uses the input function to read text entered by the user. When input is called, the program stops and waits for the user to type something and press enter. The input received is always treated as a string, even if it looks like a number. Let's see how to use input in practice.
Basic example, asking for a name.
To capture a user's name, try this simple code. Name is input. What is your name? Print hello plus name, input. This code asks the user to enter their name, then prints a personalized greeting using what the user typed. The prompt inside input helps guide the user.
Processing numbers from user input.
Since input always returns a string, you need to convert input to a number when working with math. For example, age is equal to input how old are you? Age is equal to int age. Print, you will be age plus 1 next year. Here, int age turns the string into an integer so calculations are possible.
Tips for using user input safely.
User input can sometimes cause unexpected errors, like if the user types letters when a number is expected. To make your code safer, you can use try and accept blocks to handle mistakes or display friendly error messages. As you practice, experiment with different input prompts to make your programs interactive and user-friendly.
Conclusion: building interactive Python programs.
By mastering the input function and handling user responses, you can create Python programs that respond to user choices. Remember to convert input data as needed and think about ways to help users avoid common mistakes. With these basics, you're ready to make your Python projects more engaging and interactive.